Well, noise is everywhere, from the buzz of a leaf blower to the roar of a concert crowd. According to the CDC, exposure to loud sounds could be damaging your ears. Here's ABC's Jacqueline Lee to explain.
Hearing loss from loud noises is a major health concern that can affect anyone, from children to adults, and it often goes undetected until it's too late. Blaring sounds from common activities like mowing the lawn, using power tools, or cheering at a sports game can cause permanent damage. Even a single exposure to extremely loud noise, such as fireworks, can lead to hearing loss. Always wear ear protection when you know you are likely to be in a noisy place. Get your hearing checked regularly if you're at risk. If you do experience any of the early signs of hearing damage, such as muffled hearing or ringing in the ears, make an appointment with a hearing specialist right away. With this Medical Minute, I'm Jacqueline Lee.